Very good morning, students, brothers and sisters. Hope you all are fine and doing well. So there are so many ways to earn money online due to existence of internet all over the world. There are so many ways. In that ways, stock market and crypto are also the way where we can earn money easily by just sitting at home by using our mobile. But we have to learn it how to earn, how to buy, how to sell in stock market and where we have to buy and where we have to sell. First of all, we should understand what is stock market. Stock market is a place where one company listed, and from there as a retail trader we can just go and buy the share, and when the price up we can just sell the share. There are so many stock exchanges in the world. In your country also, in Nigeria, the stock exchange name is Nigeria Stock Exchange. In Kenya, the stock exchange name is Nairobi Stock Exchange. In South Africa, the stock exchange name is Johannesburg Stock Exchange, and in Zambia, the stock exchange name is Lusaka Stock Exchange. So these are the stock exchanges. There are brokers also. They are empaneled with them. You can just open your account with any one broker which are empaneled with these stock exchanges, and from that broker you can just buy and sell the stock and you can earn money. But you have to learn where we have to buy, where we have to sell. That the things we are going to teach you, ki what is the label you can buy and what is the label you can sell. Before that, just we should understand how many asset class we can trade or invest. For example, if we take top 3 asset class, that means stock is the one asset class, forex is the other asset class, and crypto is the next asset class. Stock means, for example, there is one stock and stock name is ABC, then any stock should go up. If the company is good, then stock will go up. Then for example, this stock is going up like this. The price of this stock here is $10 and here is $20. Then if you can buy that stock here and sell that stock here, that means you can earn easily $10 by investing $10. That means 100% return on investment. Okay, so this is the one way you can just buy or sell. Sometimes stocks come down also, then you can sell here, buy here. So then also you can earn this type of earning from stock market. How we can buy here, how can I understand this is the lower price, and how we can understand this is the higher price, we are going to teach you. These courses are completely free of cost. There is no any charge. You can just enroll us, you just WhatsApp us or just write down your name in comment box. We are going to teach you free of cost, 100% free of cost. There will be no any fees for this. Okay. Similarly, there is forex. Forex means if there is two country, like one country is Kenya and one country is USA. So then USA country currency is dollar, US dollar, and Kenya currency is Kenya currency, right? Okay. Then what we can do, we can just open our account at any forex broker. This is different from stock market. Then we can just open our account at any forex broker and we can just trade in this currency. We can buy Kenya currency and sell when the price is up of Kenya currency in US dollar, like that. So then forex means foreign currency. Forex means foreign currency. So this is the second way, second asset class where we can earn by just sitting at home, just buy and just sell. So then we are also going to teach you free of cost, 100% free of cost forex things. You just in comment box write your name and your location name along with your phone number. Okay. Third asset class is cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency means Bitcoin. Like if you heard Bitcoin, Ethereum. So these are the currencies which are basically digital currencies. They have no existence in physical way, but they have the asset value. They have the value. For example, nowadays 1 BTC has been traded at around $70,000. That means if you are going, if you have to buy one BTC, then we have to give $70,000. But there is very good way कि we can buy fraction of BTC also. We can buy 0.001 BTC also. For example, we have only in, if we tell about Kenya, so if we have only 5,000 Kenya currency, then we can buy 0.0006 BTC. And if the BTC will go up, then we can just sell it and just earn the money. So it's very simple and very safe. There is no intervention of anyone. You can just buy your mobile and you can just sell by your mobile. So these are asset class. One is the stock, second is the forex, and third is the crypto. All this training will be free of cost. How it will work? How we can buy and sell? So this type of graph you will see when you are going to learn. You will see this type of graph. For example, there is the price, right? This graph is of BTC. There is the price and there is the date. In that particular date, the price was around 58,000. Okay, so there is swing, right? There is one line here and there is another line here. So another line just cut this red line is a slow line and this blue line is the fast line. Then fast line cut the slow line, then we can just buy here, and when the blue line cut now, then we can sell. Without cutting this red line, we cannot sell. So now, for example, here, if this blue line is going to cut the red line, we can sell here. Let's understand. For example, you have total 5,000 Kenya currency. The price of Bitcoin was here 58,000 and price of Bitcoin is here 70,000. That means there is price appreciation of around 12,000. This minus this. That means around 20%. Right? Now, what you have done at this price, you have just invested 5,000 Kenya currency and you have buy 0.0006 BTC and you have sell it here. That means you are going to earn around 20% of 5,000 Kenya currency. That means 1,000 Kenya currency. Right? So what you have done? You have just purchased here, just sell here, not done anything more. You just invested 5,000 and in that span of 2 months, you have earned 1,000 by just sitting at home. There is no any extra work. You just sitting at home, you just buy it and you just sell it, and after 2 months, 1,000 Kenya currency will come in your bank account. So this is the beauty of this online trading. You can just, but you have to learn how we have buy here, why you should sell here, why should not sell here, why should not buy here, like this. If you buy here and the price will down, then you will be in the loss. So then as a trainer, we are going to teach you how we should buy here and how we should sell here. What is the line, what is the blue line, what is the red line, why we have buy when the blue line have connected the red line from down to upside like this. So we are going to teach you all the things. We are going to teach you completely free of cost. We are not going to charge you anything. It's a social work and we are going to teach you completely free of cost. You just write down your name, your location name and your mobile number or phone number in the comment box, and we will send you a link or video, or we can just teach you via YouTube. You just learn it and just earn it. This is our motto. There is no any other motto apart from this. So for the things, what you have to do, you have to just WhatsApp us at this number 89296333781. Before it, you just prefix +91. This is the India code plus this WhatsApp number. Or what you can do, you can also mail us. Okay, you can also mail us. Our mail ID is info Just write down dot KULMAA Kulmaa @gmail gmail.com info.kulmaa@gmail.com. Either you can mail us, either you can WhatsApp us, and for more details you can go in kulmaa.com. Kulmaa.com, this is our website. You can just go on it and you can just learn about all the courses what we are going to teach you. Remember again, we are not charging anything. If anyone charge any amount in our name or Kulmaa name, just complain to us, just write their name in the inbox or in the comment box. We are not going to charge you anything. It's completely free of cost, 100% free of cost. You just WhatsApp and just start learning. Our motto is you should start earning after learning. First you have to learn, then you have to earn. Hope you understand. Just subscribe the channel and like the channel, and after that you just put your comment in our comment box. Hope all the things are well. Thank you. Thank you.